Hello students, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Today in this video, let us learn about proteins. Before going to the video, anyone who is new here on iAcademy, make sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon to get instant notifications of our channel. And moreover, we have created a Telegram group for our dear subscribers so that you can go ahead to our group through the link provided in the description given below. And the doubts will be clarified within just 24 hours. And anyone who didn't watch our previous video, tap the info cards so that you can have a brief knowledge about the components of food, mainly focusing on carbohydrates. In this video, let us learn about proteins. Proteins are the compounds containing carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. These four compounds make amino acids, and these amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. An adult has to take 70 to 100 grams of proteins per day, and the sources for these proteins can be seen in milk, fish, meat, eggs, and soya beans. Soya beans is also known as the artificial meat. Those who are vegetarians, it is very useful. So proteins can be seen in these different kinds of sources. So 1 gram of protein gives 4.3 kilocalories of energy. See how much does it give? Whereas carbohydrate gives only 4.2 kilocalories of energy. You can see the difference. 0.1 kilocalorie of energy is the difference between them. So let us learn about the non-essential and the essential amino acids. So there are certain amino acids that are present in our body, so we don't need them in our diet. Hence they are known as non-essential amino acids. Like 11 naturally occurring non-essential amino acids and essential amino acids. Certain amino acids are not present in our body, hence we need them in our diet. Hence they are known as essential amino acids. There are about 9 naturally occurring essential amino acids. Proteins are mainly concerned for bodybuilding and regenerations of new tissues and cells. So based on this perception, it is divided into first class proteins and the second class proteins. What are first class proteins? They are biologically complete proteins. Animal proteins are generally known as biologically complete proteins or the first class proteins because they have all the essential proteins required for our human body. Plant proteins are biologically incomplete proteins because they lack some of the essential and certain proteins required for our body. For example, soya beans. Soya beans is also known as the artificial meat. So it is not as far as concerned with meat, but it is a better source of protein for a vegetarian guy, or that is why pulses are generally known as poor man's meat. Let me tell you some of the important information I have collected in the internet, and there are the several kinds of proteins. Let me tell you the first one. The milk protein is known as casein. So whenever you drink milk, it contains a protein called casein. And the second thing, proteins are present in hair. The proteins present in hair, nails, are known as keratin. Third one, egg contains proteins such as albumin and globin. And the fourth thing, albumins and globulins are present in plasma of blood by birth. And the protein that is found in our skin is known as collagen. And it is also present in tendons, ligaments, and bones. And it's the most abundant protein in our human body, that is the collagen. And elastin is the protein that is present in tendons and arteries. Actin and myosin are the muscle proteins. So we have muscles, like muscles, right? So in muscles we have actin and myosin. And iron storing protein is found in animal tissues, is known as ferritin. Hemoglobin is a carrier protein. It helps in transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide in our human body. I hope you enjoyed and liked today's session. If you liked and enjoyed today's section, make sure like, share, comment, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon to get instant updates of our channel.